Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony.
And I'm Ted Ings for CPI. Today's tip: save a bundle with key replacement, tire and wheel, and dent protection. Now you can offer your customers protection from everyday mishaps to protect their new vehicle investment with flexible options for a variety of lifestyle needs. Permaplate offers unique bundled options that include key replacement, tire and wheel, and dent protection.
As an example, our car keys have an uncanny ability to get lost inside coat pockets or underneath couch cushions or disappear altogether. With key replacement, you are covered for lost, stolen, or damaged keys.
Every year, millions of drivers sustain costly tire and wheel damage from inevitable road hazards. Permaplate tire and wheel protection covers repair or replacement costs of tires and wheels should covered damage occur. It includes nationwide coverage and no replacement costs.
It's unavoidable. You park your car to run an errand and return shortly after to find a new dent. Shopping carts and car doors are the common culprits. Avoid the hassle with Permaplate dent protection. It covers your vehicle from those unavoidable circumstances. Now you can provide your customers with flexible bundle options to meet their needs and which come with full coverage to keep their vehicle looking new.
For over 40 years, the team at Permaplate has been offering a range of automotive protection programs to vehicle owners, dealers, and agents. They're family owned and operated. From the moment you turn to them for help, you can expect a quick response and unparalleled service and support. We truly believe in the value of their products, and we know you will too. And that's the tip of the day.
Ready to learn more? Visit us at permaplate.com. Thanks for watching.